Unveiling the Mystery: How to Record the Findings. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that often pops up in academic, scientific, and professional settings: record the findings. Understanding this phrase is crucial for anyone navigating through English in professional or academic environments. So, let's demystify it together and ensure you can use it confidently in your own context. Record the findings might sound formal, but it's actually a straightforward phrase when you break it down. To record means to write down, capture, or store information so it can be referred to later. Findings are the results, conclusions, or discoveries that come from research, experiments, or any form of inquiry. So, when you record the findings, you are essentially documenting the outcomes of a study, investigation, or any search for knowledge. This documentation can take various forms, including written reports, digital files, audio recordings, or even videos. Recording findings is a cornerstone in the realms of research, science, and business. Here's why it's so crucial. Preservation of knowledge. It allows valuable information to be stored and accessed by others in the future. Transparency and verification. By documenting results, others can verify and validate the work or build upon it. Communication. It provides a way to share results with the broader community, stakeholders, or team members. Understanding how to record the findings effectively is not just about documenting results but also about ensuring that the knowledge is communicated clearly, accurately, and in a way that it can benefit others. Recording findings effectively involves more than just jotting down notes. Here are some tips to do it right. Be clear and concise, use simple language and avoid unnecessary jargon. Be thorough. Include all relevant details, such as methods, data, and interpretations. Use visuals. Diagrams, charts, and tables can often convey information more effectively than text alone. Be ethical. Ensure that your recording of findings respects privacy, consent, and intellectual property rights. Review and edit. Before finalizing your record, review it for accuracy, completeness, and clarity. Let's look at how record the findings is applied in various contexts. Academic research. Writing a detailed report of experimental results, including methodology, data analysis, and conclusions. Business market research. Compiling consumer feedback and survey results into a presentation or report for strategic planning. Medical studies. Documenting clinical trial outcomes in a paper for a medical journal. Engineering. Keeping a log of tests performed and results obtained during the development of a new product. We hope this exploration helps demystify the phrase, record the findings, and empowers you to use it confidently in your studies, work, or any area of interest. Recording findings is more than a procedural task. It's a fundamental part of sharing knowledge and advancing understanding. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, every step you take in learning makes you more proficient in English. Until next time, keep learning and growing.